In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the head on your WeedWacker. This is going to be kind of a general overview on changing the head on your WeedWacker because there's a lot of different variations. In this video, I happen to be working on an Echo straight shaft WeedWacker, but you've got some different types out there, straight shaft, curved shaft, Echo, and umpteen different brands. So I'm only going to be covering the Echo, but the procedure between the different brands should be pretty close to the same. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty short video. I just wanted to show you how to replace the head on your WeedWacker. As you can see, this is not the factory head, but even if it was, the procedure is still the same. Most WeedWackers are going to have a way to lock up the shaft from turning like this. This one has a hole in the side right here, and if you rotate this slowly, you can see there's a matching hole right there. See that? And all I do to lock that up is find something that fits. A drill bit, the back side of a drill bit will work perfectly if you just kind of wiggle that in there until it's in there. Alright, most WeedWackers are going to be a left-hand thread, and what you do is you rotate the opposite direction you normally would. There we go, to get that off of there, and it just spins right off. That's it. Alright, so if you're going to use one of these universal kits like you get from Lowe's or something like that, Amazon, usually it will come with several different nuts to fit your WeedWacker. Just depending on which one you have, you're going to want to try them and see which one fits the best. And then once you find the one that fits, all you do with that is, I'm using this brush cutter here, is you just insert it in there like that from the bottom and then kind of push it so that it's coming through on the other side. Alright, so as you can see, this kit here comes with 6, so a washer and a spacer. So you're just going to want to choose the one that fits. Use the washer if you get this threaded all the way up on there and it's still loose, and then use the washer if needed. In this case, the washer made the thread too short, so I'm not going to use it. So remember, this is going to turn to the left to tighten up. So I'm kind of holding my finger on that nut to keep it down. There we go, it's threading. There we go. Just tighten it up. And that's it. Obviously, pull the drill bit back out, and she's spinning freely, okay? Alright, works like a champ. That's all there is to it. There's going to be some variations in the WeedWackers, but the procedure should be basically the same. If you enjoyed this video, click on that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do come out with videos like this as often as I can. Thanks for watching.